Alright guys, it's Honey Hefe here. It's Memorial Day. It's May 25th, 2026. It's Monday. It's about 12:50. Temperature is 67, 87 degrees. It's about 84 right now. And I came out here just to kind of check the splits that I did. I don't have my bee suit on, so I just want to feed. I can put this feeder here for this 5-frame nuke. I'm not going to feed the bees that got the supers on them. And I just kind of want to check and see how they're doing. I don't have any smoke. I don't want to do too much, but I need to feed these guys. So I like seeing activity here. Let me see how they look. See, this might be a problem right here. I don't see a lot of bees. Oh, there's bees. This is where all the brood was, so I'm gonna assume they don't have a big workforce. They don't have a lot of scout bees, but foraging bees. Let me pop this lid here. Got bees in there, it's looking good. I don't have really a way to feed these guys unless I use an internal frame feeder. Let's see here. Yeah, it's looking scarce. Then I want to use an internal frame feeder, but I may have to if there's bees in here. I don't want to pull those guys out. Let's see how they look. I'm disappointed that I lost all those queens. I've lost about 7. 2 splits from the Savannah Apiary, gone. I lost 3 queens here, so that's significant to me. Anyway, I don't want to feed these guys because I got the supers on there, so I don't want that to get mixed in with the honey supers. I got some honey supers in my truck. I still got to go to the Elm Grove Apiary and the